Hey there, moneymakers. It's your boy from Earning Guru, back with another video that could change your financial game in 2025. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss our weekly money-making tips. Now let's talk about something exciting. 5 incredible side hustles you can start right from your phone while chilling on your couch. The best part? These are all totally legit in the UK and you can get started today. First up, we've got the red-hot reselling game, or flipping. Listen, this isn't your grandma's garage sale. I'm talking about using apps like Vinted and Depop to buy items at bargain prices and sell them for profit. Just last week, one of our community members bought a vintage jacket for $20 and flipped it for $120. That's some serious cash. Second, there's online tutoring, and it's booming like never before. Apps like MyTutor and Schooly let you teach anything from maths to English to music. The best part? You can earn up to $30 per hour, and you don't need fancy degrees, just knowledge and passion in your subject. Third, let's talk about delivery gigs. Apps like Deliveroo, Uber Eats, and Just Eat are always looking for drivers. The flexibility is unreal. You can literally decide when you want to work, and on busy nights you could rake in $15–20 per hour. Fourth, we've got social media management. Everyone's on their phones anyway, right? Why not get paid for it? Small businesses are desperate for someone to handle their social media. And you can do it all from your phone using apps like Later and Buffer. Starting rates about $200–300 per client per month. Finally, here's my personal favorite: becoming a virtual assistant. Use platforms like Fiverr or People Per Hour to offer services like email management, scheduling, or customer service. The demand is crazy high right now, and you can easily earn $15–25 per hour. Remember, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're legitimate business opportunities that require dedication and smart work. But the beauty is, you can start any of these today right from your phone. Drop a comment below letting me know which side hustle you're going to try first. And don't forget to share this video with anyone looking to make extra cash in 2025. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.